Would you trust a building designed with missing reinforcement? Every year, buildings fail not because of earthquakes or disasters, but because of preventable engineering mistakes. Today, we will uncover the seven most common causes of structural failures and how to avoid them. Now, let us see the mistakes. Mistake number one, poor soil investigation. A strong building on weak soil is still weak only. Ignoring geotechnical data leads to settlement and foundation problems. Mistake number two, inadequate structural design. Poor load calculations, wrong assumptions, insufficient safety factors. Results cracks, excessive deflections, and ultimately failure. Mistake number three, construction deviations. Many projects are built differently from the approved drawings. This creates hidden structural risks. Mistake number four, poor concrete quality. Incorrect composition of raw materials, incorrect water cement ratio, improper curing, low quality materials all reduce structural strength. Mistake number five, insufficient reinforcement, missing bars, wrong spacing, improper anchorage, a common cause of structural distress. Mistake number six, lack of quality control. No inspections, no testing, no QA, QC process. Problems remain unnoticed until it is too late. Mistake number seven, lack of maintenance. Structures require periodic inspections. Small cracks today become major repairs tomorrow. Conclusions. Building failures rarely happen suddenly. They are usually the result of accumulated mistakes. The good news, each one of these failures can be prevented. So, if your organization requires structural audits, design reviews, QA/QC support, or engineering consultancy, connect with SunXBuild. Subscribe for more practical construction insights. Bye.